What's up guys? So changing plans, so I'm going to wash the car before I'm going to start the body on this side. I'm going to wash it. First make it clean inside and outside. So inside is dirty too, super dirty. And then let me clean it and then see and then put it back. There's some scratches, so I'm going to later on I'm going to polish this whole thing. There's a big scratch over here. So let me bring it out again. Let me take it from the stand and then take it off. I'm going to clean the engine too. I hope you enjoyed this video. So guys, I got chemical guys. This one's for the tire. This one's for the glass. Some sticker. I got some seal. That's why I get it. This one the soap to wash the car. That's why I get it. I don't have one. And the chemicals. We don't need this whole stuff for now, the wax or the mirrors. Only we need this one. So I want to show you before and after. I'm not recording inside. Hard to put the camera, so it's dirty everywhere. I think the girl smokes, so there is smoke. I don't know what's called. So there's dirty over here. You can see. I'm going to clean those stuff. Only over here have issues, and then the smoke. I don't know. Maybe there's everywhere in the dashboard and the sides. I'm going to clean that, and I'm going to put it inside. And the glass, I'm going to clean that. So you'll see before and after. Okay guys, so I just cleaned it. Next time we're going to be more. Now for now I'm going to leave it like this, better. Just to clean it. After I finish the car, I'm going to clean it more than this. So yeah. Okay guys, going to put it inside now. It's better than the old one. It's not dirty now. I'm going to put it, and then I'm going to take the passenger door off. It'll be harder. I don't have anyone to help me, so I'll try my best to not damage that, scratch especially. So I'm going to put it right now and do that. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and then like and subscribe. So this wire, take this wire and you take the glove box. It is tricky. The glove box, there's 3 Phillips over here and then 1 down here. This one's the hardest part. You need to take the airbag out to get one of the screws, and then you'll find one of screw down here. After you take this one, there's the cover down here, and this black covers over here. It's coming up over here, so you need to take this one off, and then you'll find 1 screw, but you don't need to take this screw down here especially. So take this 2 10mm, I'll show you later, and down here 1 10mm. Let me show you what I'm talking about. So this one's the glove box, so I'm talking this 2 10mm. You don't need to take this 10mm down here. I mean the Phillips. Over here there's a Phillips. What I'm talking about, there's 3, 1, 2, 3. So I told you this one's the airbag, so there is a 1 Phillips down here. You need to take it off after you fit, and then 10mm down here. So how much 10mm? 3 10mm, and then 4 Phillips. Number 4 Phillips going over here after you take the airbag. Okay, so after you take the airbag, and then you're going to disconnect two wires, 1 and 2, to take the door off. So over here, and then this, and there's this foam thing is inside here. Later on I'm going to put it on. You don't need to forget that. So now it's out. So now let me try to take the door off, and then take the window need to be inside to be safe. So I put it inside, so don't close the door that much. So I'm planning to take it maybe from here. It's better. So I'll bring my jack around here, and then yeah, maybe I'll put a tip down here. I don't want to scratch it. So here where I'm talking about the wires, you take both of them, because this one goes 2 inside here. So let me take the door off. For the 4 bolts, it will be 12mm. Then one thing I didn't mention down here, I need to take this one down here. I need light to show you what I'm talking about. So that one over here, the back, the holder, and it is 10mm. Let me take it right now over here. Okay, 10mm off. So it's off. Now I need this one. I can't close it. Let me put it inside it. And the back. So I put tire on the jack. So let me see. I'm going to hold it. So let me show you what's the issue over here. So this whole thing, maybe I'm going to buy, if I get to adjust this one, will be tricky. So if I buy half of it, I can replace it. It'll be easier. It's time saving too. So the hardest part is down here, squeeze in, Yeah. I think this one's moved too. A little bit, not sure. Try to take this one off.